Hi everyone, I'm Sange and I'm from Bhutan. Yesterday I bought GoPro Hero 10 and now I'm going to show you how it really looks like. So starting from outside of the package and inside of the GoPro Hero 10 case. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how it looks like if we shoot the video in 4K standard mode. So don't forget to watch it till the end. So coming up, the unboxing video of GoPro Hero 10. See you guys. This is how it looks from outside the package. So we have 10, which means it's GoPro Hero 10. So we have specifications over here, and then we have image of GoPro Hero 10. So this is how it is going to look when we open this package. By the way, I've already opened this package earlier, but right now what I'm doing is I'm going to show you the external cover of this package as well as what's inside here. So let's open this package right away now. So we have GoPro case here, which has GoPro logo, and it's pretty much same like the GoPro Hero 9 package. So how do you like this package? For me, I really like this one. It's not really big, so it's handy and we can carry it wherever we go. So it's also light. So let's see what's inside. Woo! Pretty cool. So we have GoPro camera here and then those accessories here. So I for some reason I did not get that extra battery, but in other videos I saw like there's extra battery provided. So I'm not sure whether it's now removed or not, but I did not get that battery. So let's see. This is how it looks. This is the GoPro Hero 10 with GoPro logo here, which is made blue. So that's the real distinct part that you'll notice as compared to GoPro Hero 9. So it says stained black, and we have mode button that you can use to switch the modes from photo to video or time-lapse or slow-mo. So they have stickers to protect the lenses right now and protect the screens here. So this is front screen. If you are vlogging or if you are recording something that needs your own image, then you can see it here. Then we have back screen. So this is the main part of the screen, I think, because it's large. So this can be used when you don't need to show yourself. Okay, so we have this one here. I'm not sure what I can call this one, but this can be used to mount your camera on the camera sticks or selfie sticks or on the tripods as well. So it's really nice. Okay, so we can pull this out. And then you can change your battery or you can charge your battery after pulling this out. So this is how GoPro Hero 10 actually looks. How do you like it? It's really small, really cute. I really like this one. So I really like this. So let's keep it here. Oh, I'm not sure what this is for, but of course this one is another mount for mounting your GoPro camera, but I'm not sure where we'll attach this one onto. So I'm new to this camera, so let's see. We have another mount here. So this is what we get inside a basic GoPro package. So that's all we get for our basic GoPro package. Yep, that's all I can do. So I cannot review the camera for now because I've just started to use it. So maybe in a few months I'll review it if necessary. So there are a lot of reviews already, so it may not be necessary, but if I face some problems, obviously I'll come and share it here. So next we are going to see the raw footage of GoPro Hero 10 shot in 4K standard mode with just simple music added. So let's see how it looks like.